Chicken liver soup. Two tasty recipes. Chicken livers are good for you. They are rich in vitamins A, B, B12, C, D, E, and K, and also in minerals such as copper, zinc, selenium, and phosphorus. The soup recipe usually uses the thighs, breast, or carcass of the bird, but why not make a different kind of broth just for a change? This nutritious dish can be prepared in different ways and is tasty as well as nutritious. If you are preparing the whole bird for another recipe, save the offal and use it in a flavorful soup recipe. Not everyone likes this kind of meat, but if you do, you will enjoy these recipes because the flavors are nice and well balanced, and you know they are nutritious too. Healthy chicken liver soup with pasta and vegetables. You can add more water to make the broth thinner if you like. The amount of water you use is up to you. Some people prefer this dish to be very thin and others like it a bit thicker. You can adjust the seasonings at the end. This recipe is good served with warm French bread or any kind of bread you happen to like. The bread is optional because the dish contains pasta to make it satisfying. What you will need: 1 pound chicken livers, 1 onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1 teaspoon ground red pepper, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 3 1/2 ounces fresh parsley, 7 ounces tomato sauce, 5 1/2 ounces pasta salt, as needed. How to make it: boil the meat in a pot of water for 20 minutes. Finely chop the green bell pepper, onion, and parsley. Chop the livers and put them in another pot of water. Add the onion, green bell pepper, and tomato sauce. Cook for 10 minutes, and then add salt and red pepper to taste. Add the pasta and cook until it is soft. Serve the broth with the fresh parsley sprinkled on top. Creamy chicken liver soup with eggs and spinach puree. This recipe makes 6 servings and it is rich and creamy. If you are looking for a satisfying and healthy recipe, this one is filling and tasty, even though it is a soup recipe. Serve this to your family with some crusty bread and they will love its creamy texture and interesting flavors. What you will need: 6 chicken livers, 3 hard-boiled eggs, 1 pint chicken broth, 1 cup spinach puree, 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons butter, 1 onion, 1 cup light cream, 1 tablespoon tarragon salt, black pepper and celery salt, to taste chopped parsley. To garnish. How to make it: chop the eggs and onion. Fry the chicken livers in 2 tablespoons of the butter, then chop them and combine them with the eggs and onion. Melt the remaining butter and stir it with the flour. Add this to the spinach puree and chicken liver mixture in a soup pot. Add the cream and broth and season the soup with salt, pepper, tarragon and celery salt. Warm it through and serve with chopped fresh parsley. Chicken liver soup. Two tasty recipes. Chicken livers are good for you. They are rich in vitamins A, B, B12, C, D, E, and K, and also in minerals such as copper, zinc, selenium, and phosphorus. The soup recipe usually uses the thighs, breast, or carcass of the bird, but why not make a different kind of broth just for a change?